What's up, y'all? It's Khauf here again. Welcome to this new video. It's a quick one. Again, I didn't expect to make another video until like Wednesday because market is really pumping right now. So that's actually the reason I'm making a video. My first thoughts were I would wait to make a video until tomorrow and let PA develop because like the market has still does need some time to develop into new PA. But yeah, here is a quick update. Wanted to let you all know where the market is going and that my vision has not changed for the rest of the week. As you can look at Ethereum on the 30-minute chart, it has been pumping really hard. It actually broke out of the range, out of the volume high range, like I showed you all yesterday. It actually made a bearish diff on the 30-minute, but it's still possible to invalidate this diff, or it's possible to retrace a little bit and go higher after. If we look at the weekly for ETH, the bearish diff, like I mentioned on Sunday, has been invalidated. I warned y'all this thing gonna be invalidated this week probably because yeah, it's too much inflow into ETH. Also, ETH inflow of the ETFs is at the all-time high. So that's also insane. And yeah, why is market pumping? Mostly because CPI came out today. It was good for crypto. It remains the same, so that's bullish for crypto. So now ETH has room to go to new all-time highs. The next level I'm looking at is 4.6k for ETH. And after that, we're gonna flip all-time highs really soon. If we look at the total 3ES-ETH USD chart, you can see it's still dumping. We might go for the lower GP level. That's a little bit below the 200 MA on the weekly, but I wouldn't mind that. But yeah, it dropped below because it is really showing some big dominance. For all the Sol gurus out there, Sol is not gonna outperform ETH. It's actually staying really stagnant right now, mostly because the dominance chart for Sol against ETH is dropping really hard as expected because it's ETH season now and ETH dominance is going to take over really hard. So get prepared, move into fundamentals on ETH, and yeah, don't overexpose on Sol in my opinion. The same can be said for BTC. It's also staying really stagnant right now because yeah, most liquidity is taken into ETH. It's also the same story for most alts. Most alts are staying at the same level because liquidity is all sucked up by ETH. Except for CPOOL. I warned y'all this coin is really strong. Mid caps, I would suggest still try to enter some good mid caps, especially CPOOL if you got the chance, because mid caps give you the best ROI in this market. As you can see in the altcoin season index, you can also see we finally got into the altcoin season level. So now it's time for alts to take over. Most big alts are gonna take over now. If you look at Dodge, it still hasn't moved yet, but it's gonna move any time now. And it's gonna pull a lot of altcoins with it. For our portfolio, or my portfolio, it's still the same story. The smaller caps are not moving because all the liquidity is still in ETH. So yeah. If we look at the USDT dominance chart, it's still going lower, but it's still in the range it's been in since like 2024. So now we're gonna wait for this to break down, probably any time now. And if this break down, we most definitely have an altcoin season. The last chart I'm gonna show y'all for today is CPOOL. Yeah, it's my favorite coin, as y'all know. It actually is almost breaking 0.20 finally, a big resistance level, but if we can flip this, $1 is imminent and we're going to be trading at really high prices for this coin really soon. We didn't get the entry we wanted. It respected the first GP level, unfortunately, but you know, I'm still good exposed into the coin. I still had some leverage trades open. I upped the left on most of these coins. On most of these trades because yeah, it's trading so high now, so I have the option to up my left. And that was it, I think. Thank you all for watching. This was a quick update. I will break down the whole market again later this week when PA is mostly developed. Thanks y'all for watching, and see y'all.